Welcome to the BCA Family Portal. Today, we are going to walk through how to request a BCA purchase order. On the What's New page, find the section labeled Request for Reimbursement or BCA Order. Click the Submit Request button. Please select an order type below. For the sake of this video, we will select BCA Purchase. Select the student that we are making the purchase for. Choose who should be contacted about this order. Then, input the date requested. Scroll down and input the item information. For the vendor, we are going to use Amazon. For the requested item, we will just say Math Textbook for $3.4. We will input the requested dollar amount of the item and provide a URL to the item we are submitting a request for. In the field below, please share how you will use this item in your education plan. You can take as much space as you need. The more details, the better. If you have a link to an education plan, you may provide the link here. Click Save once you have completed the form. Once your information has been saved, you may review the order here. If you are unsure whether the information has been updated or not, you may click the Refresh button. Congratulations! You've successfully placed a BCA purchase request. Thank you, and have a great day.